Hello students, welcome to my video lectures on cell biology. In this lecture, we are going to talk about the key components of the cell and their functions. Now, what are cells? Cells are the building blocks of life. Now, cells perform vital functions, including the nutrient intake, energy conversion, waste removal, and reproduction. This foundation role makes them essential for all forms of life. Now, what are the main components of an eukaryotic cell? A eukaryotic cell typically comprises of three primary components: the cell membrane, which regulates the entry and exit of substances; the cytoskeleton that provides structural support; and the nucleus, which houses the genetic material. Now let's look at the cell membrane. Now the cell membrane is composed of phospholipid bilayer, and it plays a vital role in maintaining the cellular integrity and regulating the movement of substances in and out of the cell. Its embedded proteins serve as channels for transport. So those proteins, they serve as the channels for transport, markers for identification, and receptors for signaling, ensuring that the cell can interact effectively with the environment. Now comes the nucleus. The nucleus is the most important component of the cell. In fact, it is the control center of the cell. It is a spherical organelle. As you see here, this is a spherical organelle and serves as the primary storage site for the cell's DNA. It plays a crucial role in managing the cellular activities by regulating gene expression and controlling the cell's growth, metabolism, and reproduction. Then comes the cell wall. Now, animal cells do not have cell wall. Cell wall are only present in the plant cell, and the cell wall is a sturdy and rigid outer membrane or outer layer that surrounds the cell membrane of plant cell. They are primarily composed of cellulose along with proteins and carbohydrates. It plays a crucial role in maintaining the cell shape, providing structural support, and protecting against environmental stress. Then comes the cytoplasm. That's the cell's vital matrix. Now, the cytoplasm is a gel-like substance. If you see here, that's a gel-like substance located within the cell membrane, playing a crucial role in maintaining cell structure and function. It contains various salts. So cytoplasm contains various salts, minerals, and organic molecules, providing an environment that supports the organelles and facilitates the cellular process. Then comes the cytoskeleton. It consists of dynamic network of microtubules. If you see the dynamic network of microtubules and microfilaments that provide structural support to the cell. It plays a crucial role in maintaining the shape of the cell, facilitating cellular movement, and organizing organelles within the cell. Then comes the ribosomes. The ribosomes are the protein factories of the cell. They are essential cellular structures and composed of two subunits made of proteins and RNA. These organelles, they serve as the primary site for protein synthesis, translating genetic information into functional proteins, which are crucial for various cellular activities and overall cell function. Then comes the endoplasmic reticulum. If you look at the endoplasmic reticulum, also referred as ER, is a vital cellular structure, and it is characterized by a network of membranous tubules and sacs. It plays a key role in the synthesis, folding, modification, and transport of proteins and lipids within the cell. The endoplasmic reticulum is divided into two types. You have the rough endoplasmic reticulum as well as the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The rough endoplasmic reticulum is studded with ribosomes and is primarily involved in protein synthesis. So remember the function of a rough endoplasmic reticulum. It is primarily involved in protein synthesis, whereas the smooth endoplasmic reticulum is associated with the lipid synthesis and detoxification process. So it's mainly the detoxification process. Then we have the Golgi apparatus or the Golgi bodies, the cell's shipping structure or cell shipping center. Now, the Golgi apparatus is essential for processing and packaging proteins and lipids received through the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Its main function of Golgi apparatus is all about processing and packaging proteins and lipids that are received from the rough endoplasmic reticulum. It modifies these molecules and directs them to their final destination within the cell for secretion outside the cell, playing a vital role in cellular organization and function. So it's all about processing, packaging. Then comes the mitochondria. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. They are the energy converters of the cell. They have unique folded membranes. If you see, they have folded membranes or folded membrane structures that facilitates the conversion of energy stored in the food to ATP, the primary currency for cellular process through cellular respiration. So the main function is the conversion of energy stored in the food to ATP. So kindly go over the functions of these cell organelles. We will take up the functions of other cell organelles in our next lecture.